Hello Cricut buddies, Jeff here from Cricut Maker Craft.
Today I'm showing you how to turn your photos into a decal to create personalized projects and gifts. This was a very highly requested tutorial, so I decided to create a separate video showing the 3 different methods that you can use to create your own decals. So these 3 methods are using the Rapid Resizer Free Picture Stencil Maker. The second one is using Cricut Design Space, and the last one using a software called Inkscape. So I'm going to show you how to turn your photos into decals using all these 3 methods in this video. So let's get started.
Now before we get started with today's tutorial, I want to share a couple of announcements. So first of all, I'm running a milestone giveaway. Once I hit 10k subscribers on my YouTube, I'm gonna give away a Cricut Maker bundle. So if you want to win this, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Secondly, I wanted to share this amazing video that I created for everyone just starting out with Cricut or don't know what SVGs or SVG cut files are. So go ahead and sign up for this completely free training video. The link is given in the description below. Also, if you are new to the Cricut world and finding it hard to remember all the tasks that you need to perform with your Cricut, then go ahead and grab this set of cheat sheets that I created just for you. It's only $15 and you get this 40-page set of cheat sheets with all the diagrams and everything about everything that you need to do with your Cricut. So let me just read out some of the stuff that are included. So there's the description on everything about Design Space, the left hand side panel, the right hand side panel, how to cut, how to mirror, how to group, how to ungroup. Everything is given in this set of cheat sheets that you just need to download. You can print it out and keep it beside your Cricut, or you can just leave it on your device to refer to it whenever you feel like. So when I was getting started, this really helped me in remembering everything that I needed to remember about my Cricut. So go ahead and grab this. It's only $15. The link is given in the description down below.
So first of all, I'm going to go to Pixabay.com to get a free image. So this is my favorite website to get images for commercial and for personal use. So I'm just going to pick up any image just for the demonstration purposes from here. And one thing to keep in mind when you're selecting a photo to turn into a decal is to make sure that there is high contrast in the image. It shouldn't all be in the light shade, like all white colors. That's going to be really difficult. It should have like a dark and light contrast so that you can easily turn it into a decal. So I'm gonna go with this photo. There is the groom's suit is kind of dark, but the girl's dress is white. So probably not the best image, but let's just go with it and see how it looks like. So I'm just gonna download this and save it on my computer. Next, I'm gonna go to this website. It's called, so if you just Google Rapid Resizer Free Picture Stencil Maker, you'll find the link for this website on the top. So just click on it and you'll end up on this screen. So as you can see from the photo over here, you can change your photos from a normal photo into a decal, as you can see over here. So I'm going to show you a couple of different things that you can do with the photo. There are a lot of options that you can play around with to get something that you like. So just wait for the photo to load. So this is the first one over here. So with the edge selected, this is what your photo is going to look like. And you can use these. You can drag this icon over the bar towards the dark and the white side to change the effect as well. So as you can see, when I brought it all the way to the left hand side, the entire photo became black in color. So you can't see anything. And roughly in a bit away from the edge, this is what we get. Now let's see what happens when I select thin. And this is what it looks like when you select threshold. This is the format that I recommend working with, but it's totally up to you. So this one will make the elements real nice and thick and easy to cut with and easy to cut out. And once again, you can use the scroll bar to make adjustments. With this second bar, you can modify the lines and either have them super sharp or soft in nature. It's totally up to you. So as you can see, when I click on sharp, the details become more prominent, and when I take it towards soft, it just softens the look. And the last one over here is adaptive. And this is what you get when you select adaptive. So you can play around with all of these 4 options and figure out which effect you like the best. And once you're done, all you gotta do is once you're happy, just click on download or print on one page, and just click on save on your computer, and the image will now be saved on your computer, which you can now go to Design Space and upload it and edit it further. And I'm going to show you how to modify and refine your image to turn into a decal, because right now you can see we have all of these extra stuff behind the couple, which we don't want. So I'm going to show you how to get rid of all these extra stuff in Design Space. So let's open up Design Space, and I'm just going to click on New Project, and then I'm going to click on Upload. Next, I'm going to select the photo from my hard drive and upload it here. So here we are, and once you're on the screen, just select Simple, and this is where you're gonna end up. From here, now we're gonna work on removing these extra stuff. So first, I'm just gonna use the wand and click on this white portion to get rid of it. So we want a checkered background like this. This means there is no background. The white part is all gone. So we just have the black stuff to cut on the vinyl. And to get rid of these excess stuff on the side, all you can do is just grab the eraser and start erasing every single thing that you don't want in the photo. So once you're happy, just click on continue, and next save your photo as a cut file. And if you see all of these extra marks, even after using the eraser tool, you can always just click on back and go back and remove all these marks. So let's open up this image in the canvas, and let me show you another method of getting rid of all these extra marks. So another thing that you can do is you can slice out all of these excess stuff. So what you got to do is grab a rectangle or any other shape tool, place it on top of your image, select both the image and the rectangle and the shape or square or whatever you're using. Just select both of these and click on slice. So after hitting slice, you'll see all of these different layers. So just click on each and delete every single one of them. This is a great way to get rid of any unwanted stuff on your image. All right, now your image is ready to be cut. Now let me show you how to use Design Space to convert your photo into a decal. So I'm just going to upload the same image in Design Space. I'm going to select Simple and click on Continue. Next, I'm going to crop out the image so that I don't have a lot of excess stuff to work with. Just going to simplify the process. Okay, that looks much better and easier to work with. Now I'm going to click on Advanced option and I'm going to reduce the number of colors to 2 and the color balance to 1. So we just need to simplify everything over here. And then you can just use your wand or your erase tool to get rid of all these excess stuff from the sides. So as you can see, the results are not as good as the Stencil Maker website, but if for some reason the website is not working, you can still use Cricut Design Space to edit your photo. Now let's have a look at how you can use Inkscape to turn your photo into a decal. So I'm going to use a completely different image for this part. So this is the image that I'll be using. I got this one from Pixabay as well. And what I'm going to do is, and I'm using the free software Inkscape. It's an illustration software that you can download from inkscape.org, and it works for both Mac as well as Windows. So you can go ahead and grab this software, open up the software, and then just drag your photo to the canvas. So once your photo is inside the software, just click on Path and click on Trace Bitmap. So you should see this new window pop up. And over here, just click on Live Preview at the bottom right of the new tab so that you can see what's going on. And again, over here, you have a couple of different options, just like the ones shown on the website. So you can either go for brightness cutoff or you can go for edge detection. And you can use these toggle options at the right hand side to adjust the level of brightness cutoff or edge detection that you want. If you're not happy with the results after uploading them on Design Space, because sometimes the pictures might look a bit different on Design Space. So if you're not happy, you can always come back and edit the picture once again. It's going to take a couple of tries, but you will at least get something that you really want. So once you're done, just click on OK, and your decal will appear on top of your image. So you gotta delete the background image to view the decal. So here's our decal, and that's our original image. So I'm just gonna delete the original image, and I'm just gonna go to File and Save as SVG. And now this image is ready to be uploaded on Design Space to cut with your Cricut. And this is another image that I made. This is the one that I used for my balsa wood project. And you can check out that project in the description down below. So I used the Inkscape software to convert this image into a decal, and it turned out so good, as you can see over here. It took me a couple of tries to get exactly what I wanted, but the end result was pretty good. So yep, that's it. Those were the 3 different methods of changing your images into decals.
Alright, with that we have reached the end of today's tutorial. I hope you girls and guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a Cricut Maker bundle when I hit 10K. I'll now see you in the next video. Bye bye!